Today's home blends classic century home style with smart upgrades throughout, all just a short stroll from downtown. This might be your next perfect move, so stay tuned to find out why. What makes 254 Stewart Street so special? First of all, it's the unbeatable location in Sandy Hill, just moments from the downtown core. Second of all, it's the blend of classic century home charm and modern amenities and upgrades. Third, it's a layout that's perfect for young families, professionals, or even those looking to downsize. Before we take you through this beautiful home, Kareem's going to show you a little bit about Sandy Hill.
Sandy Hill is one of Ottawa's most character-filled and walkable neighborhoods. It's perfect for young families and professionals alike. For professionals, it's a dream. You're a few minutes away from the downtown core, whether you're walking, cycling, or hopping on transit. You've got embassies, government offices, and Ottawa U right nearby. If you're taking the LRT, it's a 10-minute walk away. After work, you can grab dinner at one of the neighborhood's great local spots. And for young families, this community checks a lot of boxes. It's packed with parks, play structures, and quiet, tree-lined streets. Some of the city's top bilingual schools are nearby. You've also got essentials nearby. Farm Boy and Loblaws for groceries, the Rideau Centre for shopping, and some of Ottawa's best green space just a stroll away along the Rideau River or Strathcona Park.
This beautiful two-story row home was built in 1892 and features 1,394 square feet above grade, with an additional 502 square feet in the unfinished basement. The main floor features a generous living room and dining room with 9.5-foot ceilings, a gas fireplace, and cove moldings. The kitchen is sunny and well laid out, with access to your south-facing deck, perfect for your morning coffee.
Out back, you've got this private sun-drenched deck, perfect for entertaining or some unwinding. Though it's low maintenance, it's still a private retreat in the city.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, a refreshed bathroom, and hardwood flooring throughout. What I like most about this home is its unique blend of warmth and character. It's truly a hidden gem in the city.
And it's move-in ready with thoughtful updates like improved attic insulation and a new furnace. Want the full story? Visit Fundytus.ca for floor plans, a homeless pre-inspection, and more.
If you've fallen for 254 Stewart, it's time to book your private tour today. Do you know someone who would fall in love with this home? Have them reach out to us, share this video, and we would love to help them make their best move in Sandy Hill. Today's home blends classic century home. Oh my God. Today's home. We're a roaring start this morning.
Attic insulation and a new.
This beautiful two-story row home is built. I have this down in my head so good.